We'll guide you through how to delete colored rows in Excel. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Microsoft Excel on your computer or laptop, then wait until the start screen fully loads before continuing. Once the application is ready, open a workbook that already contains colored rows that you want to manage. Make sure the correct worksheet is active so you are working with the right set of data. Next, review the data carefully and identify which colored rows you want to delete. Click on any cell within those colored rows to begin the process. Ensure that the color applied to the rows is using the fill color formatting, as this is necessary for filtering by color later. After that, go to the top ribbon menu and click on the Home tab. In the Editing group, look for the Sort and Filter option. Click on Sort and Filter to open the drop-down menu. Then select the Filter option to enable filtering on your data. Once activated, you will notice small drop-down arrows appear in each column header. Now, click the drop-down arrow on the column that contains the colored rows. From the menu, choose Filter by Color. Then select the specific color you want to filter. Excel will now display only the rows that match the selected color, making it easier to isolate the data you want to remove. This feature is especially helpful when working with large data sets where manual selection would take much longer. Click and drag to select all the visible filtered rows. Make sure every highlighted row truly matches the color you selected. After selecting them, right-click on the highlighted rows and choose Delete Row from the context menu. Confirm that the selected colored rows are removed from your worksheet. Once the deletion is complete, go back to the column filter drop-down. Click Clear Filter to display all remaining data again. Review the worksheet carefully to ensure that only the desired rows remain and that no important data was accidentally deleted. Scroll through the worksheet to double-check the accuracy of your data. Take your time to inspect each section so nothing important is missed. Finally, save your Excel file after completing all the changes to ensure your work is safely stored and ready for future use.